See? I can hear you motherfuckers downstairs. I'm laying down right on the fucking hallway here, and I could hear you motherfuckers touching shit downstairs with a little radio or something down there. Playing a little music and shit. Kill me, right? Right in front of your fucking door. Tha bị ơi, chắc ông bị luôn chứ mà bị. Tha bị lời thôi ơi. You got the kata to fucking stupid ass motherfucker, man. You think you're gonna get me in trouble? Please, man. I got all these fucking evidence. I could fuck you up anytime I want. Yeah, keep recording me. I don't give a fuck. Your recording ain't gonna do shit, man. I mean, this one might, but then all the other ones can't do shit at all. And whatever I said, I'm saying it as freaking, I'm not a freaking culprit. Because I am not a culprit. I'm the fucking neighbor. You guys were fucking with me for 3 months. I called the police. They came, they didn't do shit. I told them that you motherfuckers have kidnapped some girls. You motherfuckers have raped them. And you possibly have killed them and shit, but they didn't do shit. They just told me to take a walk, clear my head. What the fuck kind of police is that? They are stupid ass fucking police. And all those fucking police are related to Longcheng too? Fuck them, man. And Longcheng is my fucking neighbor too? Yeah, when I turn up on jogging, I'll report it. Because it's police. What's up, nigga? What's up? And you guys still have 2 girls downstairs, raping them, beating them up, telling them to fucking monitor me and shit. If they don't, you guys fucking beat them up. Fuck you, nigga. You fucking stole money from my credit card too. First time was $200, second time was $179. They got my account negative and shit too, motherfucker. And that shit will lead right to your fucking bank account too, because you guys transfer that shit to your bank. And the bank statement will show that shit the same motherfucking time, the same fucking amount. You are fucked, nigga. Motherfuckers better fucking release the girls right now, man. You killed her boyfriend or her husband right on the bus stop. So don't think I'm fucking stupid and shit, man. So what try to them man we trust me, I will do that shit. I don't know how you motherfucker play and shit, man. Being a pussy, hiding your ass and shit, and letting me do all the work just so that I can fucking fuck myself up for being like a crazy ass motherfucker where they can't find you motherfuckers. Trust me, I know you motherfuckers are downstairs as long as they can find little freaking hatch that leads right down to the fucking floor down there, or they could just go down to the basement and go to that freaking door with a window in it. Go through that door and then they will find something. Those two places only right now, man. One is from Longcheng's apartment here, right below the floor. There should be a little hatch right underneath the carpet. From somewhere, could be on the living room, could be in the bathroom, could be in freaking bedroom. There's only a 1-bedroom apartment or two, so it might be under the bed, like in the bed or under the bed, right under the carpet and shit. Never know. Or inside the closet. And all you gotta do is just lift that open, see if there's a little hatchet up there, go right down, hop right into the floor down there. I already checked the apartment next door too. Yep. He don't give a fuck breaking entering. I'd probably get locked up for what, 2-3 days? Fuck that. Maybe a week at the most. Who cares, man? At least I ain't fucking raping people and fucking kidnapping them and beating the fuck out of them and murdering people. Motherfucker, you think I'm scared, nigga? Motherfucker, man. I'm here, come on. Bring out that gun that I heard that one time. Come pop my ass up here. What happened?